Hello everyone, welcome to the tenorshare channel. If you forgot the password of your iPhone 15 Pro and want to reset it but don't know how to do it without a password, don't worry. In this video, I will share 3 handy tricks that will allow you to reset your iPhone 15 Pro without a password. Method 1. Reset iPhone with forgot password. This method is perfect for when you make a mistake and enter the wrong password, as long as your phone is still associated with your Apple ID. Let's do it step by step. First, enter the wrong password several times in a row until the phone screen displays iPhone unavailable. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure. Next, you can see the forgot password option in the lower right corner of the screen. Click it. At this time, the phone will prompt you to enter your Apple ID and password. This is why it is crucial to bind your Apple ID. If you forget your Apple ID, things may become complicated. After entering the correct Apple ID, follow the system instructions to confirm your actions, and you can reset your iPhone. Then, you can enter your iPhone 15 Pro and set a new password. Simple, right? If you forgot your Apple ID, don't lose hope. There is also a second option, which is to use 4U key to solve the problem. Method 2. Reset iPhone with tenorshare 4U key. Tenorshare 4U key is a very powerful tool that can help you easily reset and unlock your iPhone without a password or Apple ID. If you are interested, you can download it directly through the link provided below the video. First, we need to connect the iPhone to the computer and put it in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until you see the recovery mode logo on the screen. After entering recovery mode, open 4U key, click the blue start button, and follow the prompts of 4U key to download the relevant firmware. Please be patient during the firmware download process. After the firmware download is completed, click the Start to Remove option, and the software will start resetting your iPhone. This is faster than you expect, and usually only takes a few minutes. After the unlock is completed, your iPhone will be available again. Isn't it super convenient? If you find it a bit troublesome to download the software, don't worry. There is another way to reset your iPhone using iCloud. Method 3. Reset iPhone using iCloud. If you have previously enabled the Find My feature on your iPhone and remembered your Apple ID and password, then iCloud can be a viable solution. First, open a browser and navigate to the official iCloud website. Sign in with your Apple ID. In the list of devices on the left, select the device you want to erase. Click Erase this device and confirm your choice. Afterwards, your iPhone will be automatically restored to factory settings. Wait for the erasure to complete, and your lock screen passcode should be cleared. No matter which method you choose to reset your iPhone, I strongly recommend that you back up your important data beforehand to avoid any data loss. Well, that's all about how to reset iPhone 15 Pro without a password. No matter which password forgotten dilemma you encounter, you can handle it easily. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends who may encounter the same problem. See you next time.